Subglacial lakes are bodies of water that are located beneath the ice sheet in Antarctica. They are isolated from the rest of the world, and their existence was not even confirmed until the late 20th century. Despite this, subglacial lakes have become an area of intense scientific interest due to their potential to provide new insights into the continent's hydrology and as a habitat for life. The first subglacial lake to be discovered in Antarctica was Lake Vostok, which was found in 1996. Since then, a number of other subglacial lakes have been found, and researchers estimate that there could be as many as 400 lakes beneath the Antarctic ice sheet. These lakes are extremely unique environments, and scientists believe that they have been isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. This has led to speculation that they could be home to unique and previously unknown forms of life. The conditions in subglacial lakes are extremely harsh, with high pressure, complete darkness, and low temperatures. Despite this, scientists believe that life may be able to survive in these conditions, and several studies have found evidence of microbial life in samples taken from the subglacial lakes. This is an exciting discovery, as it suggests that life can persist in extreme environments and may have implications for the search for life on other planets. Subglacial lakes are also important for understanding the hydrology of Antarctica and the impact of climate change on the continent. Scientists have found that the water in subglacial lakes is in constant motion, flowing from one lake to another and eventually flowing out to the ocean. This helps to keep the ice sheet stable, but it also means that changes to the subglacial hydrology could have significant impacts on the stability of the ice sheet and sea level rise. The study of subglacial lakes is still in its infancy, and much more research is needed to fully understand these unique environments. Despite this, the discovery of subglacial lakes has already provided new insights into the history and potential of Antarctica, and researchers are optimistic about what other secrets the continent may hold. In conclusion, subglacial lakes are a fascinating and important aspect of Antarctica's geology and biology. Their discovery has provided new insights into the potential for life in extreme environments, the impact of climate change on Antarctica, and the continent's hydrology. The study of subglacial lakes is ongoing, and researchers are eager to continue exploring this unique and important part of the world. Microbes are tiny organisms that are found all over the world, including in some of the harshest environments on the planet. In recent years, scientists have made several exciting discoveries of microbes in Antarctica, a continent known for its harsh conditions and isolated environment. One of the most notable discoveries in Antarctica has been the discovery of a new type of bacterium that can survive in extremely harsh conditions, such as those found in the icy environment of the continent. This discovery is helping scientists understand how life can persist in extreme environments and has implications for the search for life on other planets. Microbes are important because they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the planet's ecosystems. They break down organic matter, producing nutrients that other organisms can use, and they play a role in the global carbon and nitrogen cycles. In Antarctica, microbes are also important because they help to keep the continent's icy environment stable, by breaking down organic matter and producing carbon dioxide that helps to maintain a balance between the ice and the atmosphere. Another exciting discovery in Antarctica has been the discovery of microbial communities that live beneath the ice. These communities are isolated from the rest of the world, and scientists believe that they have been present for millions of years. These microbes are helping scientists to understand the evolution of life in extreme environments and may hold clues about the potential for life on other planets. The study of microbes in Antarctica is still in its early stages, and much more research is needed to fully understand these tiny organisms and their role in the continent's ecosystem. Despite this, the discovery of microbes in Antarctica has already provided new insights into the potential for life in extreme environments and the role that these organisms play in maintaining the balance of the planet's ecosystems. In conclusion, microbes are tiny but important organisms that are found all over the world, including in Antarctica. The discovery of new types of microbes in the continent's harsh and isolated environment is helping scientists to understand how life can persist in extreme environments and has implications for the search for life on other planets. The study of microbes in Antarctica is ongoing, and researchers are eager to continue exploring these tiny but important organisms. Climate change is one of the most significant challenges facing our planet today. It refers to the long-term alteration of global temperatures, precipitation patterns, and weather patterns due to the increasing levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Climate change is a complex and far-reaching problem that affects everything from global food supplies to human health to the stability of ecosystems. The primary cause of climate change is the emission of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun and warm the planet, leading to an increase in global temperatures. This warming is causing a range of impacts, including melting of polar ice caps, rising sea levels, and more frequent and intense extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. The effects of climate change are already being felt across the world. For example, melting ice caps are causing sea levels to rise, which is threatening coastal communities and cities. More frequent and intense extreme weather events are damaging infrastructure, causing power outages, and leading to economic losses. Changes to precipitation patterns and temperatures are also affecting agriculture, as crops struggle to adapt to new conditions. In some areas, crop yields are declining, which could have major implications for global food security. In addition to affecting food supplies, climate change is also having an impact on human health. Rising temperatures can lead to more heat-related illnesses, such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Changes in precipitation patterns and increased extreme weather events can also increase the risk of waterborne diseases and illnesses related to poor air quality. The impacts of climate change are not limited to the human population, however. Changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and other factors are affecting ecosystems and wildlife around the world. For example, as temperatures warm, many species are shifting their ranges, causing disruptions to ecosystems and leading to declines in biodiversity. Some species are even at risk of extinction due to climate change. Ancient forests are some of the world's most valuable and important ecosystems. These forests, also known as old-growth forests, are characterized by their mature trees' complex structure, and diverse array of plant and animal life. Ancient forests play a critical role in maintaining biodiversity, protecting soil and water resources, and regulating the Earth's climate. One of the defining characteristics of ancient forests is the presence of old, mature trees. These trees have lived for many decades or even centuries, and provide important habitats for a wide range of species. The diverse structure of ancient forests, including the presence of dead trees, fallen logs, and other features, creates a complex ecosystem that supports a rich array of plant and animal life. In addition to their ecological value, ancient forests also play an important role in regulating the Earth's climate. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis, and store this carbon in their wood and leaves. Ancient forests contain a significant amount of carbon, making them important carbon sinks that help to mitigate the effects of climate change.